Fresh cream should be chilled to achieve optimal texture and consistency. Chilling enhances the cream's ability to whip and hold its shape. The ideal temperature range for chilling cream is between 1°C and 4°C. Chilling alters the fat molecule structure, leading to increased viscosity. Condensed milk is characterized by its thick consistency and high sugar content. The process of making condensed milk involves evaporating water from fresh milk and adding sugar. Condensed milk's viscosity is significantly higher than that of regular milk due to the concentration of solids. The sweet taste of condensed milk comes from the high concentration of added sugars. Vanilla essence is a key ingredient for adding distinct flavor to culinary creations. Accurate measurement of vanilla essence is crucial for achieving the desired flavor profile in recipes. A single teaspoon of vanilla essence provides a concentrated burst of flavor. Vanilla essence enhances the overall taste experience by contributing a complex aromatic profile. Chilled fresh cream is placed in a bowl, ready for whipping with an electric beater or whisk. The electric beater is used to aerate the cream, incorporating air and initiating the thickening process. As whipping continues, the cream transforms from a liquid state to a fluffy, semi-solid consistency. The final result is a bowl of thick, fluffy whipped cream, ready for use in desserts or other culinary applications. The cream's texture should be fluffy and thick after beating. Achieving the correct consistency is essential for the cream to hold its shape. Overbeating the cream can result in a grainy or curdled texture. The ideal beaten cream exhibits a smooth, glossy sheen. Proper beating incorporates air, increasing the cream's volume and lightness. Beaten cream achieves a light and airy texture through the incorporation of air. Condensed milk is gently folded into the whipped cream to maintain its volume. A gentle folding motion prevents the collapse of the air bubbles within the cream. Maintaining the cream's airiness is crucial for achieving the desired light texture. The folding technique ensures a homogeneous mixture without sacrificing the cream's delicate structure. Vanilla essence is added to the mixture to enhance its flavor profile. Proper mixing ensures an even distribution of the vanilla essence throughout the batter. The even distribution of vanilla essence is crucial for consistent flavor in the final product. Visual representation of the mixing process shows how the essence integrates at a molecular level. The final mixture, now infused with vanilla, is ready for the next stage of preparation. The final mixture is gently mixed to achieve a well-combined state. Proper mixing results in a smooth, uniform texture throughout the mixture. The visual demonstration emphasizes the importance of thorough mixing for optimal results. A well-combined mixture ensures consistent distribution of ingredients. An airtight container is essential for storing ice cream to maintain its texture and prevent ice crystal formation. A secure seal prevents air exposure, which is a primary cause of ice crystal development in frozen desserts. Ice crystals form when water molecules within the ice cream mixture are exposed to fluctuating temperatures. Airtight containers maintain a consistent temperature, minimizing the risk of ice crystal formation. Proper sealing preserves the smooth and creamy texture of homemade ice cream. Using an airtight container is a key step in preserving the quality and extending the shelf life of ice cream. The ice cream mixture is poured into an airtight container to prevent ice crystal formation. Airtight sealing is crucial for maintaining the ice cream's smooth texture during freezing. Proper sealing minimizes air exposure, which can lead to freezer, burn, and a grainy texture. The airtight container prevents the absorption of unwanted odors from the freezer. Sealing the container tightly ensures uniform freezing and consistent ice cream quality. The container should be freezer safe to withstand low temperatures without cracking or degrading. The container is placed inside the freezer for a duration of 6 to 8 hours. Time-lapse visualization of the freezing process occurring within the container. Molecular animation depicting the water molecules transitioning from liquid to solid state during freezing. Graphical representation illustrating the temperature drop inside the container over the 6-8 hour freezing period. The ice cream has reached a fully frozen state after the freezing process. The texture of the ice cream is now solid and scoopable. Complete freezing ensures the ice cream maintains its shape and consistency when served. Proper freezing prevents the formation of large ice crystals, resulting in a smoother texture. The solid state allows for easy handling and serving of the ice cream. Achieving a fully frozen state is crucial for the final product's quality and enjoyment. An ice cream scoop is designed for efficient and uniform serving of ice cream. The scoop shape allows for easy penetration and release of frozen ice cream. Scooping involves pressing the tool firmly into the ice cream and rotating to form a sphere. The scooped ice cream can then be neatly transferred into a bowl or cone. Optional additions, such as chocolate syrup, enhance the visual appeal of ice cream. The addition of toppings can significantly improve the aesthetic presentation of desserts. Visual enhancements to food presentation can increase perceived value and enjoyment. The strategic use of toppings transforms a simple dessert into a visually compelling creation. Optional ingredients, such as mango pulp, can be added for flavor variation. Strawberry crush is another ingredient option to enhance the flavor profile. The addition of fruit pulps introduces vibrant colors to the mixture. These flavor variations allow for customization based on taste preferences. The vibrant colors of these additions enhance the visual appeal of the final product. Dry fruits enhance both the texture and flavor profile of culinary dishes. The diverse textures of dry fruits provide a satisfying contrast to softer foods. Each type of dry fruit contributes a unique flavor note, enriching the overall taste. Customization with dry fruits allows for personalized flavor and texture combinations. A finished serving showcases the aesthetic appeal and culinary versatility of dry fruit toppings. Dry fruits offer a natural and nutritious alternative to processed toppings.